Hi, today I'm gonna teach you the monkey elbow throw. Um, this works when people are throwing uh, fast punches at you, like really crazy punches, wild punches. Um, so this is a really good technique to get in and take them down. So first, you want to cup up your hands like this. One hand just like this, on the side here. Just like this. Okay? This is so when they come in, when you step in, or even if they swing, they'll be hitting your arm and not your face. So then you're going to take your other arm and come over like this. I like to prefer to go like this. That way when you step in, you're blocking your chin from getting hit or other parts of your face. And when you step in, you'll be hitting them directly in the face. You'll drive your arm up, then you'll push back upward like this. That'll make them lean backward. And what you'll do then is you'll take your foot inward like this. You'll be stepping in just like that. Okay? Right beside their other leg. Okay? So, now, coming in here, stepping in, grab from behind, and push down, and they'll fall. And that's